Hey, my ladybug friend and I just want to share with you what we picked up at the farmer's market this weekend. Starting off with the lettuce, 10 heads of lettuce. As usual, we got 5 heads of red leaf lettuce and 5 heads of romaine lettuce. These are massive heads of lettuce, guys. They are incredible. We also picked up 5 bunches of kale. There's the red kale, the green kale, and the lacinato kale. We also got some spinach, so some fresh farmer's market spinach and some nice looking carrots as well. Red bell peppers and a couple of their really hot spicy peppers. I don't know what they're called, but they told us they are spicy. We also picked up some cucumbers. We got 5 cucumbers and we got some heirloom tomatoes. These are our favorite tomatoes. We also picked up just some regular slicer tomatoes. And then, of course, some cherry tomatoes, and we try and rinse them off when we take them home because typically at least 1 or 2 bursts open on the trip home and gets tomato juice all over the rest of the tomatoes, and then the fruit flies just have a heyday and they just start reproducing like crazy. So we rinse them off and then put them in a container and plop them on the countertop. We also got some leeks. A little bunch of leeks here we like to put in our salads and as well as some soups. And then we got these 2 massive seeded organic watermelon. Everything here is organic, but yeah, seeded watermelon. We've been loving the watermelon, as I've said. It's been great this year. We didn't actually get these onions this weekend. We got them last weekend at the farmer's market as well. But yeah, we are stocked on onions for a while. So there you go. That is what we picked up today. $100 for all of this. And we actually also had a big head of green cabbage that we picked up. I forgot to take it out of the trunk. And then I just want to show you my distilled water here. Of course, if you want to make sure you're taking all the contaminants out of your water, pick up a home water distiller. You can get 5% off of the distillers that I own. Link in my bio if you want to check those out. Use Raw Intuition as the code at your checkout, and you'll get 5% off of the best water distillers on the market. And lastly, if you are at all concerned about the new Appeal coating product that they're putting on various fruits and vegetables at grocery stores around the world, farmers markets are where it's at. You know, that is how you're going to ensure the best chance of knowing that they're not putting mystery chemical products on the food that you eat. Knowing who's producing your food is important. You know, if it's coming from some corporation, who knows what's being applied to it. So, you know, that's one reason why it's important to support your local farmers and also to start growing your own food and taking charge of your health that way.